Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and we are going to be unboxing the latest edition of the jewel box. I've been waiting on this since Sunday. I've been peeping out the window, looking on my front porch because they always tend to leave this in one of the chairs on my porch. So I kind of been looking every day for it. And then my son brought it in the house last night. And I was so thrilled. I don't know why, but I was so thrilled that I finally got it because I was kind of like, oh, I was getting worried. So I've already cut the tape. Let's see what we got. Of course, it has the "It's Your Time to Shine" on the inside of the box. And wow. Oh. Okay. So let's take everything out of the box. Mine seems to look a little different than other people's when they open it. I try not to look, but it's hard not to look and see what's what. So let's see what we got. Okay, let's start with this package. These are some huge bags. This is, I love the red already. Okay, so we get the washi tape, "Thou Shalt Not Try Me." I need to start a jewel box page in my swatch book. But there it is, "Thou Shalt Not Try Me," mood 24/7. So I'll swatch that later. If I keep up with swatching things as I get them, then this is the branded acetate with the jewel box logo on it. So it's red front and back. And then I really hate to put it on my desk for it to pick up all the lint that's on the desk. Let's see, move it out. So these are the kits. I picked that up wrong. So these are the kits. Ooh, follow your dreams. I remember seeing her in somebody's unboxing. This one is "Move in Silence." Look at her. This one is "Be Good, Do Good, and Look Good AF." I remember seeing her too. "Lessons Learned." "Unconditional Love." "Fly, First Love Yourself." Oh, there's Lily. "Release, Regroup, and Renew Lee." I like that a lot. I love this color scheme. "Mind, Body, and Spirit." "Love Yourself Firstly." I love this one too. I love her with the braids. And I'm loving the additional colors. Now this one, I don't know about. But I get it. It's "Body Yaddy Yaddy Lily." I'm a prude, kind of. Anywho. Oh, yeah, "Body Yaddy Yaddy." "Shine Your Crown, Lily." I like that too. I like the different Lily hair. Okay, so that's the kits. Very nice. And what are these? Oh, these are the individual stickers. Let's do this first. So these are the journal stickers, or journaling square stickers. So they represent a lot of what you saw in the sticker kits. Okay. Then, oh, these are the lilies. Hold up, say what, Lee? So she's on the phone and sipping on her drink. Therapy Lily, so I guess she's in therapy. Headache migraine Lily. Organized storage Lily. I love this one. Unicorn Lily. I think this one is so cute. Let me get my mind right, Lee. Oh. When I saw this one, I was like, what is she doing? Now I get it. And then this one is Queen Court Reminder Lily. Stop Smoking Lily. And then these are the dolls that are in the kits. So this is Erica. She is Joy. Kira, Forgive. April, Love. Simone, Peace. And Dream, Dream. I like Dream. Okay. So that's that. Then we got a whole other package here. So if you didn't know, I do have a code for the jewel box. You can't use it on the subscription, but you can use it on the individual items. So all that information will be in the description box below. This is the paper. So you get the black and white and the floral. That's pretty. And you get 2 sheets. Then this is a leaf pattern. Ooh, and a rose gold marbly looking pattern. I like that. Then we've got a diamond pattern. Let's see. Is it the same on both sides? No. And a floral pattern. These are nice. Then the vellum. Ooh. This is the acetate. Those are nice. And get a vinyl jacket. Wow. What size is this? I know it's probably supposed to go with, it's 5x7. I know it's probably supposed to go with something in here since I opened it upside down. And I think it goes with this, Daily Affirmations of a Spiritual Queen. So let's see what else we got. Sincere Sentiments. It's a decorative paper clip. And it's a diamond. This is a journaling card. I've seen this. I really like that. And this. It's My Time Now kit. That's what it looks like. I wish we could get more of these stickers. And then this one is Spiritual Queen. and Goddess Formation. Heal Thyself. And then here are the journaling square stickers that go with it. So all of this, so this PR, this was in the kit. Okay, let's open this up. Daily affirmations of a spiritual queen. So there are prompts in the book. I'm good with this. It says, learn to be okay with people not knowing your side of the story. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. I'm really good at that. I'm not, yeah. If you want to take a narrative and run with it, I'm going to let you. Okay. I actually experienced something similar in the planner community, and I almost tried to explain or whatever, and then I was like, no, let them have it. So, hard truth, the world will not treat you better just because you are a good person. True. So I'm looking at these. I guess I should be looking at what boundaries do you need to enforce to protect your peace. So I'm gonna have to go through this and read this. This is interesting to me. Keep looking ahead. So yeah, this is very nice. Oh, look at that one. That's pretty. Okay, so I love these little illustrations, but I do think this will fit in this jacket. But I also think I'll be turning this jacket into a traveler's notebook. Yeah. I don't know if they will work as this traveler's notebook. It's time to ascend into goddess formation. I don't know that it would work, but I could try. Oh, it has 2 pockets in the front. Okay, so that's it for the jewel box this time. Don't forget to check the description box below for the discount code and website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.